Welcome to part 4 of integers. Let's move to our exercise 1.4. 1.4 is having first question, evaluate each of the following. This complete exercise is about the division, right? Minus 30 divided by 10. You all can divide 30 by 10. Answer will be 3, that is minus 3. I have written the answer of B part, that is 50 divided by minus 5. If you are going to divide 50 by 5, you will be getting answer 10. And in division, positive sign divided by negative sign, I have told you in the beginning, positive divided by negative, answer will be negative only. So answer will be minus 10. Similarly, minus 36 divided by minus 9, answer will be 36. Minus 36 upon minus 9 equal to plus 4. Both are having the same sign, answer will be positive. Then D part, minus 49 divided by plus 49. Same number divided by same number, answer is 1. But sign are different, so answer will be negative. Similarly, you can solve these remaining parts which I have mentioned here up to G, H and I part. Up to these parts you will be solving yourself. Moving to our question number 2. Verify that A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C for each of the following values of A, B and C. First part is A is equal to 12, B is equal to minus 4 and C is equal to 2. A divided by B plus C, that is 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2, which is equal to minus 2. That is 12 divided by minus 2, answer is minus 6. What is given on the other side, that is A divided by B plus A divided by C, that is A divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2. So 12 divided by 4 is minus 3 and 12 divided by 2 is plus 6. So minus 3 plus 6 equal to plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3. Hence we can say that these two answers, which the answers are there with minus 6 and plus 3, they are not equal. We need to verify this, so it is not equal. Similarly, you can solve for B part. Third question is fill in the blanks. 369 divided by dash equal to 369. 369 divided by 1 equal to 369. Minus 75 divided by some number, so that answer comes out to be 1. If the number is divided by itself, same number, only then 1 comes. So answer is 75 because minus sign is there. So another value with the positive sign needs to be there. Only then you will get answer minus 1. C part, that is minus 206 divided by some number, answer comes out to be 1. It is also the same. Minus 206 is divided by minus 206. We are dividing with the minus sign value, only then answer comes out to be plus 1. 87 divided by some number, answer is plus 87. That is 87 divided by 1 only, answer is 87. Moving to question number 4. Write 5 pair of integers such that A divided by 5 is minus 3. One such pair 6 minus 2 because 6 plus minus 2 equal to minus 3. 24 divided by minus 8 equal to minus 3. Minus 12 divided by 4 is minus 3. 15 divided by minus 5 is minus 3. Similarly, 18 divided by minus 6 is minus 3. 60 divided by minus 20 equal to minus 3. We need to find out such 5 pairs. I have written the 5 pairs, but it is not necessary only these numbers can be used. You can use any other pair also. But after division you should get minus 3. Moving to question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. It decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. At what time would the temperature be 8 degree below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? Temperature at 12 noon was 10 degree above 0 is plus 10. Rate of decrease of temperature per hour is 2 degree. Number of hours for 12 noon to midnight is 12. Change in temperature in 12 hours is 12 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 24. And temperature at midnight is plus 10 plus minus 24 is 14 degrees Celsius. Hence the required temperature at midnight is 14 degrees Celsius. Difference in the temperature between plus 10 and minus 8 is plus 10 minus minus 8, that is plus 10 plus 8 will be 18 degrees Celsius. Number of hours required is, we will be dividing it, we will be getting answer 9 hours. Time after 9 hours from 12 noon is 9 p.m. Moving to question number 6 in the class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer like you have done in the previous exercise also, and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks given for not attempting any question. Radhika scored 20 marks. She got 12 correct answer. Now, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? 3 marks for correct answer, 2 minus 2 for incorrect answer, and 0 marks for not attempting. Marks 12 correct answers means 36 marks. Marks obtained by Radhika for correct answer is 12 into 3, that is 36. Total marks obtained by Radhika we have been provided in the question, that is 20. But marks obtained by Radhika for incorrect answer is 20 minus 36 is minus 16. Minus 16 for incorrect answer, and one incorrect answer is having minus 2 marks. So minus 16 is to be divided by minus 2. You will be getting 8. That means the required number of incorrect answer needs to be 8. That is the second part of this is marks scored by Mohini is minus 5. Number of correct answers are 7. So marks obtained for correct answer is 7 into plus 3 equal to 21. Marks obtained for incorrect answer is minus 5 minus 21 equal to minus 26, and number for incorrect answers is minus 26 divided by minus 2 is 13. So required number of incorrect answers are 13. Moving to question number 7, an elevator descends into 9 shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If descendant starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long it will take to reach minus 350 meter? So present position of the elevator is 10 above the ground level, that is 10 meter, and distance elevator below the ground level is 350 meter. So total distance moved by the elevator is 350 plus 10 meter, that is 360, and rate as for the descendant is 6 meter per minute. Time taken by the elevator is 360 divided by 6, that is 60 minutes. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So required time is 1 hour. So that's all with this exercise 1.4. With this you have completed your chapter integers.